I'm going to show you how to set up PIP in Visual Studio Code to install Python packages or libraries. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up a new browser and search for Python and click on the first link, or you can click on downloads directly. And from here you want to download the latest version, or you can basically download a specific version if you want a specific version. And then you will need to run the installer after downloading the Python latest version. And once you finish the installation, you should open up your CMD or PowerShell to check if it is properly installed. You can type python space hyphen hyphen version, and it should print out the Python version you have currently installed. Now you will need to restart your Visual Studio Code project to be able to use the commands in terminal. Now you want to go to terminal and type the following. So for example, if you want to install a package or library for Discord, you can type pip install space and the package or the library name. For example, discord.py. And if you press enter, you should wait for it to finish installation. And that's pretty much it. You can run the command with any library or package that you want to install. You just need to change the name here. Thanks for watching and subscribe.